Hey guys, my name is Jonathan and welcome back to the Raylock Python video series. In this video we're going to go over how to install Engineer Sandbox. For those of you that watched the overview video, you know that throughout this Python video series we're going to use what's called the Sandbox IDE. Now the Sandbox IDE is included in Engineer Sandbox from Raylock, and it's the IDE we recommend. However, you can follow along with whatever IDE you like. But for those of you that do want to follow along with the same IDE I'll be using, I'm going to show you how to install it. So first go to our website at www.raylock.com. Once you're there, you can click free version, and under Windows you can click download. At the bottom this should pop up, and from here you can click run. Now, once that's finished, you should see this installation set up. From here you click next. You can read the software license agreement and click accept. And right now all the installs are actually the same, so you can use complete and then click install. Now, for the first time, whenever you launch it, a user registration window will pop up, which could take a second. So once that's popped up, it's going to ask for your first name, which you can type in, your last name, your email address, and your organization. You don't have to put anything if you don't want to. And click OK. Now, once that's it, you have two new icons, Engineer Sandbox and the Sandbox IDE. So, if you open it, that's it. That's all there is to it. And now you're ready to start the video series.